Hey, welcome guys to Brown and White Vlogs। और आज का व्लॉग बहुत ही स्पेशल है क्योंकि इस व्लॉग में हम बहुत ही खास चीज बनाने जा रहे हैं जो कि इंडिया में बहुत मशहूर है और वो है मैगी। तो बेला और मेरी बात हो रही थी, मैं उसको बता रहा था कि भैया ये जो चीज है ना इंडिया में ऐसे खाई जाती थी पहले, अभी भी होती होगी। जब हम छोटे होते थे तो स्कूल में कोई बच्चा लेके आता सारे उस पर टूट पड़ते थे। तो मैंने कहा तेरे को मैं एक ऐसी चीज खिलाऊंगा तेरा दिल खुश हो जाएगा। तो ये हमने किसी से मंगवाई है, पार्टी टाइम पैकेट। और
ये पार्टी टुडे।
तो मैं तो यही कह रहा था कि बेटा एक बार खा के देख, तेरा दिल ना खुश हुआ ना नाम बदल दियो मेरा। तो अब बनाने लगे हम।
Only 2 minutes.
तो इट सेज 2 minutes, मगर ये बनेगी नहीं 2 मिनट में। 2 minutes without preparation, so just cooking is 2 minutes I guess, क्योंकि 2 मिनट तो भैया पैकेट खोलने में सब कुछ करने में ही लग जाएंगे। तो only the cooking is 2 minutes, we have to prepare everything before and okay? तो इतना टाइम हो गया कभी बनाई नहीं, देखना पड़ेगा कि क्या चाहिए। ये ना कि पहला इंप्रेशन खराब हो जाए, बहुत ही तारीफें की है। I was just telling that we need to make it perfect, not that you don't like it, so it must be perfect. Okay, so let's get on to it, and this is me making Maggie. Hashtag let's make Maggie. Okay,
So, let's go.
so
Do you need help?
so
You need
अगर
help.
ऐसे नहीं हो रहा 2 मिनट इसी में लग जाएंगे। 2 minutes will be gone. See, कैंची।
Oh.
क्या बात है भाई, कैंची सही नहीं है।
You need also help with this.
देखो भाइयों बहनों कैसी दिख रही है अंदर से।
It smell like.
इसको नहीं समझ आएगी। You won't understand this. This is something.
Okay.
Something has to do with our sentiments. Chiku, Maggie. You want Maggie? Chiku?
He don't like.
He doesn't like Maggie. No, he will like Maggie. So I'll make 2 cakes, right?
Okay.
So first we need to put this Maggie in. Then we put one more. See, we have this thing. Ooh. This is Maggi masala. So this is one of the main ingredients of Maggi. Okay.
Okay.
So now we take 400 ml or 450 ml of boiled water, or it's hot water. We need to boil it,
It's hot.
but we need to boil it.
80 degrees around.
Okay, so we will put some water, but it is too less. So I guess we need more. I
Are you
think
sure?
No idea.
Okay.
But I think we should have put it in, not in a fry pan, but in something, you know, container, like a big one, but small, like higher. But anyways, I think, let's see.
But I
So-
think it's faster.
Let's see. So now we turn it on first.
One question. We don't need the spices?
First we let it boil, and then let it boil a bit, and then we put spices, I guess. Let's see.
Okay.
But I think it's too less water. What did it say? How much water do we need?
On the package?
तो भैया हम जो है हम प्रोफेशनल हैं, तो हम हर जो चीज डालते हैं, जितने भी इंडियंस होते हैं वो फीलिंग्स है। Whatever we do, we put, you know, how it feels like. So we don't read what is written on here, so we just do with feeling. ये हमें बचपन से ही पता होता है भैया इतना सही लगेगा या और लगेगा.
So Bollywood like, you mean, with feelings?
Yeah, so Bollywood feelings for cooking. So I'm putting it on the highest heating thing. So it doesn't take much time because this is, what is it? This is electric but induction, yes.
Induction.
So this is induction, so it is very fast and it is loud. If you put it on, you know, full heat, it is very loud. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but I can hear it. मुझे लग रहा है कि इसमें और पानी चाहिए, मगर ज्यादा ना हो जाए इसलिए रहने देते हैं. थोड़ी सूखी बनेगी, but
You start the timer?
stopwatch. Oh, I need to put stopwatch.
You have your
The
what?
timer and see if we can make it in 2 minutes. Hey Siri, start timer for 2 minutes.
Okay, 2 minutes and counting.
So we have the timer now, 2 minutes, and we'll see if we can make it in 2 minutes or not. So let's see. I think I put too much water in. How many packets?
So maybe one for one pack.
Oh, yes, you're right. Let's see.
So I think.
There should be some way that how to make Maggie. Yeah.
I thought you know.
I forgot it long back.
Okay.
Break the noodle cake into 4 parts. Add noodle and taste maker to 210. Oh, I didn't check that. Cook 2 minutes. And we need to cook 2 minutes. First we add this and then we cook 2 minutes. So we should have started the timer a bit later.
Why you don't use?
Scissors.
Yes.
Thank you. So we need
It's
to.
maybe easier for you.
So guys, don't judge me. I don't cook a lot.
Yes.
But Maggie is something. Oh, plastic got inside it. So I need to make bigger. So bear with me guys, we are already almost there. Oh, this scissors. Okay,
The first pack
first pack done.
of spices.
So the second pack. So I think in India it is better.
Ah.
Hey, the packing is not so good. Oh, 2 minutes gone already. So we'll start again the timer.
You failed the first round.
So, hey Siri, start the timer for 2 minutes. I think it is the
2 minutes and counting.
it is the cooking time basically. So once we put all the ingredients or these 2 things, and then the cooking time is 2 minutes. Okay. Now I started it at 2 minutes. So let's see. Oh, where's the timer? Leave it. We have to hurry up. Okay. So you stir. Now it should be done in 2 minutes. I think I put too much water in it. So sad, I guess.
If the husband cooking in the kitchen, you have here spices and also in the pan.
So don't listen to her, guys. एक तो साला बनाओ, ऊपर से बातें सुनो. इसलिए ज़्यादा सही है कि ना ही बनाओ तो ना ही सुनो. I'm making for you and now I'm, you know, you're telling me to do this and that and stuff like that.
Oh.
The thing is, I guess my mistake, I guess, maybe I put too much water, but I'm not sure. We'll see. I think now we put it for 2 minutes and let it cook. I think we need to cover it. Do you have something? Or let's find something to cover it. Or we can leave. I see the voice.
Ding, ding,
Let's see, what is this?
ding, 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 ding. Yeah.
Oh. Let's see.
Nee. Ganz hinten. Der mit Gummi war.
So then you put a lid on it because it will cook faster then, I guess.
Uh-huh.
So let's see.
So we will see.
Oh, timer is again 2 minutes. So let's see. We'll start the timer again, okay?
Okay, next.
Next timer. So I've started the timer again. Let's see. Now it should be 2 minutes because they say the cooking time is 2 minutes. So we have put everything together and now it's cooking. It will be 2 minutes and it will be done. Okay?
Okay.
I think we need to take water out of it, I guess.
I think it's fine. Give them 2 minutes and then we will see.
Let's see. Let's see, guys.
Or you do without
The lid.
so the water can go out.
But the thing is, if water will go out, the problem is I put that masala in there. It will go out as well.
Are you sure?
Yes. So basically, the sad part is I know that back then also, when we put this thing inside it, right, and the water is too much, then it doesn't taste that good. So I'm trying to keep all the masala in there. Let's see. 2 मिनट अभी हुए नहीं है, 2 मिनट का टाइमर लगा हुआ है. इतने में सफाई कर दो वरना भैया सुनने को मिलती है बाद में बहुत कि जरा सी बनाई थी और सफाई नहीं करी. प्लास्टिक में जाएगा. बाकी बची हुई मैगी को पैक करो, अभी इधर रखो, पता नहीं कहां जाएगी. वाह.
You cut the pack?
थोड़ा मसाला रह गया भाइयों.
Okay. More spices? Why not?
थोड़ा सा रह गया. एक बूंद कीमती है भैया इसकी. मसाला मिलता नहीं है.
Chiku is also confused. What are you doing?
Oh. 2 मिनट हो गए हैं फिर से. 2 minutes timer again gone. So I'll stop now. Enough of 2 minute timers.
And now it's ready? Or need more time?
भाइयों ऐसा लग रहा है कि जल गई है मसाला. आई मैं हिंदी में बोल रहा हूँ, उसको पता नहीं चलेगा. ये ऐसा लग रहा है नीचे लग गई है मैगी ना, इसलिए हिला लो वरना पूरी जिंदगी सुननी पड़ेगी ये बात कि भैया तूने मैगी बनाई थी और नीचे लग गई थी. तो इसलिए चुपचाप हिंदी में बोलो. So I was just saying that everything is going good and we will make a delicious Maggi today. Okay? क्या खुशबू आ रही है. मुझे ये नहीं याद कि मैगी में नमक डालते थे या ये मसालों में नमक था. So we need to see if we need to add salt or not. But in general, it looks good. So ये स्पेशल कटोरियां हैं जिसमें सामान डलेगा. And let us know how does it, or let me know how it tastes. मेरी इज्जत का सवाल है ये. अब अच्छी बन गई है यार.
It's good. It's a little bit spicy.
Yeah, it should be spicy.
A little bit. But I think I need a little bit salt.
ये ऐसे ड्रामे कर रही है. I don't think you need it. It is totally fine. नमक था भैया मसालों में. No, I think it's okay. You need to take 3-4 more times, then it will be okay.
Okay.
और अच्छी बनी है. Good or?
It's good.
I think we need to keep it like for 1 or 2 minutes more, and then it will be even better. Then you won't need any salt anymore. But I think it tastes good.
Yes, yes. Taste and also very good.
तो भाइयों, सफल रही हमारी मैगी बनानी, और मैंने अपनी इज्जत बनाए रखी है कि अभी भी मैं मैगी बना सकता हूँ तगड़ी वाली। रात को बनाते थे जब पढ़ रहे होते थे, एग्जाम होते थे, 12 बजे उठ के कि यार कुछ है नहीं, मैगी बना लो। I was just telling when we had exams at night, you know, during midnight, and you're hungry, then we just make, you know, Maggie.
Okay.
But सही में अच्छी बनी है। Okay. So do you like it?
Yes, I like it. बहुत भूख लगी है।
बहुत भूख लगी है, इसे अब हम खाना खाएंगे पहले, क्योंकि बहुत टाइम लग गया मैगी बनने में, 2 मिनट में तो बनी नहीं। तो अब हम खाएंगे और फिर मिलते हैं अगले ब्लॉग में। बाय बाय।